Once you first land on the balloonguild.com, this is the page you see before you log in. You'll see a video like the one you do here that shows you kind of what's going on, and it will give you the option to join the guild or to log in. You can also see some of the stuff that we have by clicking on recipes, clicking on some type of decoration, and then clicking on the thing you want to learn, and it'll send you straight to sign up. And we have monthly options and yearly options, and this prices change regularly and they all go up, but whatever you sign up for, that's where you get locked in. So as long as you maintain your membership will never go up. So that's one of the benefits of joining with us sooner than later. But you can also log in. You log in with your username and passcode, and you can click the search button and it'll pop up literally everything. We do have some ability to search in some fancy ways as well, but the easiest way that most people find is clicking on recipes and then searching according to guest designer, organic, classic, or holiday. And then once you find what it is you're looking for, then you can click on the sculpture. So for instance here, we have our Christmas designs, we have our gingerbread house, and then once you click on that, once you're logged in, instead of being taken to the sign up page, you can see the resources page. We've got detailed recipes, sometimes concise recipes. We usually have a PNG. In this case, we have multiple different recipes based on the type of sculpture that you're doing. And this is, I believe, a 13-page recipe that covers gingerbread house step by step, every single little piece you need. And then at the very end, it even has this here, which looks crazy, but the reason that is because we give you a Canva template and it gives you the ability to edit that. So you click on recipes, click on classic decor perhaps, say arches, and then there's a number of different arches here, but if you'd like to get something like this rainbow chevron arch, you can click on it, and then we try to do our best to have these written out so that anybody on your team can follow them. Has a list of all the materials you need, the inflation instructions, framing and assembly, and goes through step by step for anything and everything you could possibly need. Also, once you're logged in, we have SOPs. These are things that are separate from recipes, and we will have a more visual interface with this too. We just haven't built that in yet. This has phone script, packing list, lighting classes, search engine optimization, how to build your frames, balloon drops, and different things as well that are non-recipe related. In addition to the recipes, SOPs, we have additional resources. Different distributors have given us different discounts as well. So when that's the case, we'll list that in their description. We also have distributors by brand. And then we also are trying to do our best to give you a list of releases that you can see, so you can see regularly what we're coming out with, when and how, and always be up to date on the latest things that have been added to the Balloon Guild, so that even if you can't find it in our recipes or guest designers, you should be able to find it in there as well. So if you click on something like our guest designer Balloon Pro, this is our interview with Chris Adamo. This is something like, I forget, but it's
business plan
over an hour of content where we're talking and speak with Chris. That's really cool. And some of the designs that he has. Again, once you're logged in, you can click on this and it'll pop up the recipes for you there. Otherwise, not logged in, you can see what we have, but you can't actually access it.